Welcome back. High Court has asked Moti Dongor residents to submit document proving that they are residing at Monte Hill prior to 1995. Following court's directives, Economically Weaker Sections Association and its members had to withdraw their petitions. The High Court has given them liberty to file fresh petitions if they are able to produce documents establishing existence of their houses prior to 1995. Economically Weaker Sections Association and its 20 members claim that they are residing at Moti Dongor for the last 35 years. They also contend that in the year 1995, government had enacted a law authorizing local authority to demolish all illegal structures in their area post-1995. But they are pleading to regularize their huts as they have water and electricity connections before 1995. They are having ration cards too. But the court found that there is no documentary evidence annexed in the case filed proving their existence prior to 1995. Petitioners failed to produce such documents and pleaded to allow to withdraw their petitions. The High Court allowed them to withdraw, granting liberty to file fresh petitions whenever they would be able to produce the documents. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Goa began their Santosh Trophy qualifying campaign in style with a 5-0 demolition of Daman and Diu at Dhule Stadium on Thursday. Alvito Miranda scored 2 goals as Goa dominated the match as expected. Joel Sikvera, Sachin Gavas and Nicholas Fernandez scored a goal each. Goa were leading by 1 goal at half-time.
Goa has taken the lead.
Years and years of lip service had almost derailed the Lusophonia Games, but the new government left no stone unturned to put the multidiscipline sports bonanza together. Goa has witnessed its most incredible 12-day sporting history and how the hosts were at the top of the table right from the first day on the field after developing world-class infrastructure in record time. The visiting sportsperson and officials thus got the first-hand taste of incredible India. Let's recapture some of the finest moments of the third Lusophonia Games.
three other fighters, and brilliant connection down to the head.
Swati Gardhe from India.
आयच्यानूच परत एकदा कामाक लावूया. नॅशनल गेमी खातीर देव बरें करूं. जय हिंद, जय गोय.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.